NC8 equals to NC2. Then find NC2. Okay, NC8 equals to NC2 అయితే NC2 value ఎంత మీకు చెప్పాలి. So we don't know the value of n here. So first find the value of n. Okay, see the solution. Given NC8 equals to NC2. NC8 equals to NC2. See the formula. NCR equals to NCS. NCR equals to NCS అయింది అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు n ఈక్వల్ టు ఎంత అవుతుందంటే R plus S. n equals to R plus S. Now see here, NC8 equals to NC2. Then n equals to 8 plus 2, that is 10. Okay. Now we will find NC2. So equals to NC2. N value here 10. 10C2. Okay. We know that NCR formula. What is the formula NCR? N factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So here 10C2 equals to 10 factorial by n factorial by next n minus r factorial. That means 10 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Okay, we know that 10 factorial divided by 10 minus 2 is 8 factorial into 2 factorial equals to 10 factorial can be written as 10 into 9 into 8 factorial by 8 factorial into 2 factorial is nothing but 2 into 1. Okay, now here 8 factorial get cancelled. So here 2 how many times? 5 times. 2 5 times. So 5 times of 9 by here 1 is the denominator. So 5 9s are 45. 5 9s are 45 by 1. 45 by 1 value how much? 45. If NC4 equals to 210, find the value of n. NC4 equal to 210 అయితే n value చెప్పాలి. n value find out చేయాలి. See the solution. Given NC4 equals to 210. What is the formula NCR? NCR formula ఏంటి? n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So this is how the form NCR. So n factorial by n minus 4 factorial into 4 factorial. n minus r factorial into r factorial equals to 210. Okay. So n factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 into n minus 3 into n minus 4 factorial divided by n minus 4 factorial into 4 factorial is nothing but 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 equals to 210. So here n minus 4 factorial get cancelled. So remaining balance. So n into n minus 1 into, so here something is missing. So here n minus 2, n minus 3. n factorial is nothing but n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into n minus 4 factorial. So n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 divided by 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 1s are 24 equals to 210. So n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 equals to 210. 24 transpose to right side, multiply with 24. Okay, that equals to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 equals to 210 times of 24. See, 210 times 24. 4 zeros 0, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 2 zeros 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 0 4 0 5. So 5 0 4 0. Okay. Now do prime factorization. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 1 balance, 2 5s are 2 2s are zeros. 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. 1 balance 2 sixes are zeros. 2 sixes are 12. 2 threes are 2 zeros. 2 threes are 2 ones are 2 fives are. Next 3 table. 3 ones are 3 fives are. Again 3 table. 3 threes are 9. 3 fives are. Now 5 table. 5 7 times. Okay. Now check. So it can be written as, see what is the largest number, prime. We here prime number is 7 3 5 2, all are prime numbers only. Okay, first 5040 can be written as, see once 5040 can be written as. Okay, so how many threes are there? 1 2 2 threes are there. Okay, 1 2 3 4. So okay, first write 7 7. Okay, 3 threes are how much? 3 threes are 9. 7 9. 5 twos are 10. Okay, still 1 2 3 4 2 4 is 8. So 5040 can be written as 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. Okay, so that means 10 into 9 can be written as 10 minus 1. 8 can be written as 10 minus 2. 7 can be written as 10 minus 3. So this is of the form n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 is in the form of 10 into 10 minus 1, 10 minus 2, 10 minus 3. Check once. Now what is the value of MC? N equals to 10, n equals to 10, n equals to 10, n equals to 10. Therefore, the value of n is 10. If 12CR equals to 495, find the value of R. 12CR equals to 495, R value find out here. See the solution given. 12CR equals to 495. 495. Now see 495. 495 lo 5 table cancel avutundi. How many times? 5 9s are 45. 5 9s are 45. 4 balance again 5 9s are. Now 11 table. 11 9 times. So 495 can be written as 5 into 11 into 9. Write in a proper order. So 11 into 9 into 5. 12CR is nothing but 12CR formula and 12CR formula and see 12CR equals to 12 factorial by 12 minus R factorial into R factorial. So here మీకు మొదట్లో ఏం రావాలి? ఇక్కడ 12 రావాలి, ఖచ్చితంగా 12 రావాలి. సో 12 into 11 into 9 into సంథింగ్ రావాలి. సో 12 మిస్ అయింది కాబట్టి 12 రాసి 12 తో న్యూమరేటర్ డినామినేటర్ మల్టిప్లై చేసింది. 12 into 11 into 9 into 5 by ఒక 12 తో మల్టిప్లై చేయండి. See 12 11 నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్ ఇస్ 9 ఇస్ దేర్. నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్ వాట్ ఇస్ యాక్చువల్ నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్ 10 రావాలి కాబట్టి నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చేస్తారు? ఇంకొక 2 తో కూడా మల్టిప్లై చేసింది. ఓకే, నౌ see 12 into 9 into 11 into 5 2s are 10. 10 into 9 by okay 12 into 2 24. Okay, so now చూడండి ఇప్పుడు ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ రావాలి. ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ సో 12 into 11 into 10 into 9. సో ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారంటే ఒక 8 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ తో మల్టిప్లై చేసింది. 11 into 10 into 9 by actually this is the before step, just to do 8 factorial into 8 factorial. See now numerator 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 factorial is can be written as 12 factorial. 12 factorial can be written as 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 factorial divided by okay 24 is nothing but 24. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Yes, 4 3 is the 12, 12 2 is the 24, 24 1 is the 24 into 8 factorial. That equals to 12 factorial by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is 4 factorial into 8 factorial. So actually I said 12CR. What is the 12CR formula? 12 factorial by 12 factorial by 12 minus R factorial into R factorial. That equals to see carefully 12 factorial by 4 can be written as 12 minus 8 factorial. 12 minus 8 factorial. 4 can be written as 12 minus 8 into 8 factorial. That is 12 factorial by 12 factorial by 12 minus R factorial into R factorial. Now observe that 12 factorial 12 factorial 12 minus what is the value of R now? What is the value of R? Therefore R equals to 8. See problem not completed. See here again, see this step. 12 factorial by 4 factorial into 8 factorial equals to, what is this? 12 factorial by 12 minus r factorial into r factorial. Okay, ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, so that equals to 12 factorial divided by 8 factorial ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు అంటే 12 minus 4 అని రాసుకోవచ్చు. 8 ని 12 minus 4 అని రాసుకోవచ్చు. Factorial, here already what is there? 4 factorial. So 12 factorial by 12 minus r factorial into r factorial. Now observe that factorial and 12 factorial, 12 factorial. 12 minus, here r equal to how much now? R equal to ఎంత అవుతుంది? 4 అవుతుంది. Check చేయండి. Therefore r equals to 4. Therefore the values of r are either 8 or 4. If 10 into nc2 equals to 3 into n plus 1 c3, find the value of n. Okay, see the solution. 10 into nc2 equals to 3 into n plus 1 c3. Okay, we know that what is the NCR formula? NCR equals to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So 10 into, see this step, 10 into, this is how the form NCR. So n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial equals to 3 into, this is NCR, n factorial by n minus r, this is n now, n minus r factorial into r factorial. Okay, now 10 into, now we will find the value of n. 10 into n factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial by n minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial is nothing but 2 times 1. Okay, that equals to 3 into, this is n plus 1 factorial by n plus 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So n minus 2 factorial into 3 factorial. Now here n minus 2 factorial. See, n minus 2 factorial, n minus 2 factorial get cancelled. 2 how many times? 5 times. 2 5 times. Now 5 into n minus 1 equals to 3 into n plus 1 factorial can be written as n plus 1 into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial divided by n minus 2 factorial. 3 factorial is nothing but 3 times 2 times 1. Okay, now observe that n minus 2 factorial, n minus 2 factorial get cancelled, 3 get cancelled. So remaining 5 into n minus 1 equals to n plus 1 into n minus 1 by 2. 2 times of 1 is 2. Now n into n minus 1 get cancelled. Here n into n minus 1 cancelled. So still 5 equals to n plus 1 by 2. 2 transpose to left side. 5 times 2 equals to n plus 1. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 2 is 10 equals to n plus 1. So 10, 1 transpose to left side, minus 1 equals to n. So 10 minus 1 is 9. Therefore the value of n is 9. If 15c2r minus 1 equals to 15c2r plus 4, then find r. See solution. Given 15c2r minus 1 equals to 15c2r plus 4. See the formula, see the condition. If NCR equals to NCS, if NCR equals to NCS, then R equals to S or N equals to R plus S. Okay, so here NCR equals to NCS. Okay, first 15c2r minus 1 equals to 15c2r plus 1. Observe that this is how the form NCR equals to NCS. Then R equals to S. So 2R minus 1 is equals to 2R plus 2. So 2R get cancelled. So minus 1 equals to 2. This is meaningless. Minus 1 equal to 2 అనేది meaningless. So first condition not satisfied. So the second condition. So n equal to R plus S. That is 15 equals to here R is 2R minus 1, S is 2R plus 4. 2R minus 1 plus 2R plus 4. That equals to 15. 2R plus 2R is 4R. So minus 1 plus 5. Minus 1 plus 4 is plus 3. Minus 1 plus 4 is plus 3. So 15 equals to 3 transpose left side negative 3 equals to 4R. 15 minus 3. 15 minus 3 how much? 12. 15 minus 3 is 12 equals to 4R. So 12. 4 transpose left side divided by 4 equals to R. So 4 how many times? 3 times. So R equals to 3. The value of R is 3.